Good morning, beautiful people. We are on day 11 and I'm so proud of myself. So we're gonna keep going. Just go right in so we can keep these videos as short and sweet as possible. Do my ginger and lemon shots in the morning on an empty stomach. Cheers. Woo! I'm gonna make my shake really fast, not fast forward, because it's gonna be the same shake I always make. The girls are moving kind of slow this morning. Going to be a little late to school, but at least they're gonna make it. I think they're feeling the way I'm feeling about school, honestly. Like, just don't even want them to go there. But if they don't go, then there's consequences to not going to school, right? I feel bad. The world we live in is crazy. I'm going to take one of my super greens. I'm remembering to show you guys now. Hi. They really stink, but they're so good. Cheers. Alright, you guys, that's it for my morning. I'm gonna get everything ready and go out the door. Get these kids ready to go. Take them to school. Unfortunately, we'll see you guys at the gym. We are here at Kids Club. Well, the gym. We call it Kids Club because the Kids Club inside for the kids. And she's asking me if we can stay here short today and not long. Usually she wants to be here long. I don't know. We'll see. You guys ready to get out? Okay. I'm gonna finish my tea and then we're gonna go inside. I'll see you guys inside. Alright, beautiful people, I am home from the gym and I started cooking already. I'm hungry. I have 2 eggs, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, kale, and onion. I'm going to make a buffalo chicken like breakfast wrap. And then I will show you how I finish making my buffalo chicken wrap. Now that this is pretty much cooked up, the leftover rotisserie chicken from yesterday, I'm going to add some in the pan. And now that the chicken is on here, shredded up and warmed up, I'm going to get some buffalo sauce. First, I'm going to add a little mozzarella cheese on top. Alright, so now I have my light Italian herb from yesterday, the 60 calories, 6 grams of net carbs, and 6 grams of protein. I have one of these right here. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to plate it onto here. All right, now this is what it looks like. Plain Greek yogurt. And this is going to actually substitute for sour cream. So it's protein, but it tastes like sour cream. Just gonna put that on there and then that's it. I'm gonna eat it. Yummy. Buffalo chicken breakfast wrap for post-workout first snack of the day. Okay, so it's been a busy day. AJ's not feeling good. Poor baby had a fever earlier, but alright, she's hanging out with me while we're in car rider line here in the front seat because she's a cool kid. I'm going to peel this grapefruit and have time to cut it. So this grapefruit, and I'm going to eat a protein bar. I feel like I've been eating so much, but I'm like dropping weight, so I'm just gonna keep eating the way I've been eating. And I did not have time to make tea before I left the house, but of course I have my water, so.
I'm done.
Okay, so I'm gonna drink my water, grapefruit, protein bar, and hang out with my mini. See you guys in a little bit. She likes to smell the car freshener. Bye. Alright, I'm getting ready to make my healthy meal for the day. Cooking some chicken on here. It is seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, Miss Dash chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, black pepper. I think that's it. I'm going to make like a mock bowl, so I'm gonna make my own like ranch stuff. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But the bottom of the base of the bowl is gonna be mashed cauliflower, the sour cream and chive flavor, and then I'm gonna put some corn on it, and then probably some spinach mix like on top of here, and then the corn, and then the chicken, and then the sauce. I'm gonna make the sauce and show you guys. So to make the sauce, I have a little jar and I have plain Greek yogurt. I'm gonna get ranch. I'm going to pour some in there. Hot sauce, whatever you prefer. I prefer sriracha, but I don't have any. And it just makes like a spicy ranch. Let me turn it so you can see. So that's what it looks like before it's mixed. I'm gonna mix it all up and then show you. Y'all gonna make fun of me, but I just realized I mixed that SHIT in this vanilla instead of plain. So now I gotta throw this away and make a whole new one. So hold on. Okay, yeah, so I tasted it and I was like, why is this sweet? So I looked at the container. It's definitely vanilla. But this one, we Gucci. Now I'm ready to make our plates. Okay, I'm gonna build our bowls now. So I'm gonna use a clear one for me so you can see it, and this one's for my husband because you'll be able to see with this one. This is the mashed cauliflower. Gonna mix it all up. Half of it, small half will go in my bowl. Husband's bowl. Sauce that I made. I'm gonna put a little bit on here, a little bit on here, not a lot, just a little bit, so there's like flavor inside of the mash. And then you're gonna get some spring mix, some corn, chicken, our sauce, just put a little on the side. Is my dinner. Well, not dinner, my healthy meal of the day. That's what this is. Alright, so it's kind of late. I just finished my shake bowl. But I just made a tea and I'm gonna drink this while I get some work done. AJ's had a fever like on and off today, so it just kind of threw off my schedule. So I'm gonna drink my tea, get some work done, and then get some sleep. Hopefully he'll feel better in the morning. If not, I can't take him to the gym, to kids club. So I'll end up having to do something at home, but we'll see how he feels tomorrow morning. Y'all pray for my little baby. I don't like when he don't feel good because he's so goofy. He doesn't feel good, but all right, I'm gonna get some work done. Thank you guys for tuning on day 11. Cheers to that, and I will see y'all on the next video.